Hello, and thank you for joining this quick tutorial on CIBT visas, your source for travel document needs such as passports, visas, and legalizations. In order to access CIBT's website for University of Colorado, make sure to go to CIBTvisas.com/CU, ensuring that you're on the appropriate website specifically for University of Colorado will enable you to receive your highly discounted service fees when utilizing our services. To initiate any visa requests or even inquiries, you'll just input the information of your upcoming trip in this box here. The field automatically designates to US citizens, passport holders. You'll select your corresponding state of residence, your destination, the most popular that require visas being in the top 5 right here, and then the purpose of your trip as well. We have several different options available here: students, for tourism, for business as well. Once you've entered in the qualifiers, you'll click on check requirements and we'll confirm if a visa is required or not for your destination. In this situation, a Chinese visa is required for any US citizens traveling there on business. Here we'll review any of the additional requirements in detail if you hover your mouse over any of the icons, and any updated or incoming consular closings, as well as all of our service fees and the consular processing fees. To initiate the order, you'll click on Get My Visa here, input your personal contact details, and the date in which you need your documents returned back to you for your upcoming trip. And you'll receive an automatic email with your order number and all of the requirements within the application kit to start the initiation of your visa request. If you have any passport needs, whether it's a passport renewal or a first-time passport, you can select on passports here, select the corresponding type of passport that you need, and then the varying speed of delivery. Standard processing, 2 to 7 days is rush, and same day for emergency requests. If you have any questions about any requirements for any visa or passport related documents, you can call this 800 number down here, available 12.5 hours a day, Monday through Friday. If you'd like to email, click the Contact Us tab, and you'll be provided with our customer service email, available 7 days a week. Thank you so much for choosing CIBT Visas for your international travel document needs, and make sure if you have any inquiries or requests to utilize the University of Colorado account for CIBT. Thank you so much and have a great day.